friends, welcome in Priyanka's kitchen. Today I am going to cook noodles, easy and quick recipe. So let's start.
For that I need boiled noodles, beans, carrot, onion, spring onion and capsicum. In next step, take a kadhai and pour 2 tablespoon oil and add all the veggies. Do semi-fried and after that add boiled noodles. Mix it nicely. Now add 2 tablespoon green chili sauce, 1 tablespoon red chili sauce, 1 tablespoon soya sauce, 1 tablespoon vinegar, salt as per taste and mix it well. After mixing, cook noodles 4 to 5 minutes on high flame. Now you can see it looks so yummy and now it's ready to serve.
So friends, noodles are ready and I am going to serve this. So please like this recipe and like, share and comment. Soon we will meet in next video. Bye bye.